Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when Windows 10 or 11 is not detecting your Bluetooth headphones. This is a common issue, but don't worry, these simple steps will fix it for most people. First of all, restart your Bluetooth device. First, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and turn Bluetooth off and on again. Sometimes Windows just needs a quick refresh to detect your headphones. Now press Windows plus R, type services.msc and press enter. Find Bluetooth support service, right click it and choose restart. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Right click the start menu and open device manager, expand Bluetooth and check if your Bluetooth driver is showing. If you see any warning icon, update the driver or uninstall it and restart your PC so Windows can reinstall it automatically. Go back to Bluetooth settings, remove your headphones from the list, put them in pairing mode and connect them again. This fixes most connection problems. Go to settings, system, troubleshoot, other troubleshooters and run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Windows will automatically try to find and fix the issue. Make sure your Windows is fully updated because missing updates can cause Bluetooth bugs. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix Bluetooth headphones not being detected in Windows 10 or 11. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick PC fixes. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. So yes, this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.